Many instructors require students to take quizzes and exams within Moodle. To take a quiz or exam, click the name of the quiz next to the quiz icon in your course. Here, we're going to take the Moodle quiz. When you click on your quiz or exam link, you will see a new page. This page will give you information about your quiz. This can include the date and time the quiz opens and when it closes. It'll also give you a time limit if your instructor chooses to put a time limit on your test. A note to mention is that the time and due date set is when the quiz must be submitted, not attempted. If you are in the middle of your quiz when the time expires, you will not be able to finish. So make sure you give yourself enough time to complete the quiz before the close time. Once you're ready to begin the quiz, click Attempt Quiz Now. Click Start Attempt, and you'll see your questions. On the right side of your screen, a block titled The Quiz Navigation appears. This block shows the questions you're attempting and how many questions are left on the quiz. The questions that you currently have on the page will have a bold border around them. When all questions are answered on the page, click Finish Attempt. And you'll see a summary of all the questions that you've answered with answer saved or answer not saved. So check through that if it's a long test and make sure that all of your questions have been answered. And you can either return to the attempt or click Submit All and Finish. Always make sure you click this button or your quiz will not be saved. Click Submit All and Finish, and you've completed your quiz.